Hi, this video is on how to install extensions to Google Chrome, specifically read and write for Google Chrome so students can use speech to text and text to speech when they're browsing anything on the web. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically, if you're logged in as a member of the Trail Enterprise, you're going to be able to see the Trail web store. And to get there, I'm going to hit the three dots and I'm going to go down to Settings. And then I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side to extensions. And the one that I'm going to show you to install is already installed for this account. It's Read and Write for Chrome. But when I'm here is when I see all the extensions that are currently installed. And it's also when I can click right here on the Chrome Web Store to get to the list of extensions. Now, students can only install things on the NTLS Chrome app list. Staff members can install anything they find here, and if they find something and want it added to the Chrome app list, all they have to do is request it. So I'm going to go to the NTLS Chrome app list. These are all the ones that are already been pre-approved to be used here at National Trail. They can be removed or added at any time. To find one, if a student doesn't have Read and Write, you just go up here to the search extensions, type the word read, and you'd see Read and Write for Google Chrome right there. Now, if they already have it, it says remove from Chrome. If they don't have it, it says add to Chrome. And all they would have to do is hit the add to Chrome button, and it will ask you to verify that you want to add this app, and then it will be there. Once it's installed, you want to pin it to your computer so you can get to it all the time. So the way you pin an app so that you can see it, because right now you don't see it anywhere up here on the top of my browser, you go to the little puzzle and that will show the apps that are installed, and then when you pin it, it shows up there all the time now. So if I was anywhere and I wanted to use it, I would click on that button. It just popped up, and the first thing it does is, what do you want to use it with? And you have to pick a Google account you're going to use it with. And I'm on the laptop test account, and it says, hey, we want to access your account. You have to say allow the first time. And now I've got this bar up here. That's the Read and Write for Google Chrome bar. And if I go anywhere on there, I can have it start to read to me the text from the website. So I'm going to have it start reading up here, and I'm just going to highlight a little bit and then hit the play button. And then you can see it highlights the sentence, it highlights the word, and it goes through and reads. I can do some settings now to make it read faster or slower. I'm going to ask it to read a little slower, and I can also change the voices on it as well. So if I go over here to the three dots, I can go to settings, and I can say, you know what, it's reading too fast. I'm going to slow it down. And there's a number of voices I can choose from. If I want to choose a different voice, I'm going to use the Google voice. We'll see what that looks like here in a second. And then I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to try it again and see how it works this time.
To Kill a Mockingbird is a novel by the American author Harper Lee.